Well, hello there everyone. Just wanted to share a quick drive-by post with you guys. And I picked up something. I thought it was pretty cool. And it sort of adds to the ambiance of my van build. And you could probably hear in the background my diesel heater. I keep talking about it the last few weeks. And the silver duct that's keeping my feet warm. Sorry if that kind of startled you. But check this out. The reveal is about to happen. Whee! Isn't that pretty? I thought that was pretty cool. It sort of adds to the ambiance amidst the clutter of my wires, which is safe, by the way. It's all nice and fused, so it's all pretty cool. Anyway, I just wanted to say hi and hello. Bye-bye.